The Holy Quran foretells the end of the world and the U.S. President, Kamala Harris. Narrator, in the sacred text of the Holy Quran, there lie profound prophecies about the end of the world, revealing startling secrets about our present time and the leaders that will shape our future. Narrator, today, we'll unravel one such prophecy, an extraordinary revelation that pertains to the leader of the United States. Narrator, Kamala Harris, the Vice President of the United States, is no ordinary figure. In the Holy Quran, her arrival was prophesied centuries ago. Narrator, as believers, we find ourselves at the crossroads of history, witnessing the fulfillment of ancient predictions. The end times are upon us, and the Holy Quran offers us a glimpse into what lies ahead. Narrator, wars, natural disasters, and a world in chaos. The signs of the end times are all around us. The Holy Quran warned us of these tumultuous events that would mark this critical juncture. Narrator, but in the midst of chaos, a leader emerges, a leader with the power to bring about unprecedented change. The Quran foretells the rise of a just and strong leader, capable of guiding nations towards a better future. Narrator, Kamala Harris, the first woman of color to serve as vice president, epitomizes the qualities described in these prophecies: leadership, justice, and the ability to inspire transformation. Narrator, the Holy Quran speaks of a new era, where true prosperity and harmony will reign, and Kamala Harris's leadership could be instrumental in shaping this future. Narrator, as we navigate these uncertain times, let us remember the words of the Holy Quran and the hope they bring. Together, we can manifest the prophecies of unity, compassion, and a better world for all. Islamic eschatology typically focuses on broader themes and signs that will signal the end times, such as the appearance of the Mahdi, a messianic figure in Islamic tradition, the arrival of Isa, Jesus in Islam, and the Day of Judgment. These prophecies are subject to various interpretations within the Islamic tradition and are often a source of discussion and debate among scholars and believers. Narrator, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to explore more revelations.